What power! And down with the tombstone. Big forearm. The dead man has decided this ends now. Rest in peace. Booker's in. Baker's gonna finish Batista. Look out! Tombstone pile driver.
One of the biggest names in WWE, the Viper.
And his opponent from St. Louis, Missouri, weighing in at 245 pounds, Randy Orton.
The Viper won his first WWE Championship at the age of 24, the youngest world champion in history.
Such an accomplished career for this young man. He's been part of some dominant groups like Evolution, Legacy, and Rated RKO. But gentlemen, we know that the Viper is at his best when he hunts alone.
This is completely uncalled for.
But completely validated, Cole.
And the possibility for serious injury just went way up.
He's trying to get him.